Let's make a list of your favorite foods. Can you do that for me? Chicken. You're doing good. CH.
Chicken.
To learn how to write, children have to listen for sounds and then write the letters that make those sounds. It helps if they already know the sound that each letter of the alphabet makes. When they hear a word, they have to listen for the sounds of all the letters and write them down. Teachers call this hearing and recording sounds in words. When they are learning, children might make mistakes because some of the letters stand for different sounds. For example, when a child hears the word class, he might write down class. It will take time for your child to learn how to spell correctly.
See, said Mother Bear, there is the fur coat.
Reading books out loud with your child so that he sees and hears words at the same time will help him learn that written words make sounds.
What do you think of that?
Helping him write down what sounds he hears in the words is a good way to teach him how to write. The following games will help your child listen for sounds in letters and words and then practice writing down what he hears.
Bryn and Brett and Mateo.
Okay, now we're gonna do turtle talk. What do you think about that? What is special about turtles?
They move very slow.
Really slow. And
In this activity, you and your child can have fun pretending to talk like turtles.
wow.
Wow.
Good job.
This may take some practice, but it will help your child learn how to hear the many sounds that are in words.
Lake.
Lake.
Good job.
Lake, yeah, lake.
How about this one? Money.
When your child gets good at this game, try saying 2 words at a time and see if she can guess the words. If your child gets really good at guessing the words, try saying a whole sentence in Turtle Talk.
Teeth.
Ant.
Have your child take a turn being the turtle and see if she can think of a word and say it very slowly. Then you try to guess what she is saying.
Bite?
No, it's bike.
Oh, bike. Okay, so you should say
Okay, turtle, we're ready.
I can do it myself. Farm.
Ooh, good one.
Microwave.
Microwave.
Cow.
What? Say it again.
Cow.
Cow. Good job. What about a different one?
Moo.
Look at me more. No. I'm going to make a sound, and I want to see if you guys can write this letter. Are you ready?
It's that easy.
That sounds pretty easy, but let's see. It might be trickier than you think. Let's do as in fox.
Done.
Wow, good job. Oh, patients are at capital and lowercase.
I'm gonna do that.
Well, you're a little bit older, so I'm glad you're going to do that. That'll help us learn.
You will need the sheets. Can you write this letter to play this game? The sheets have the letters of the alphabet and how each letter sounds in a word. Some of the letters have only one sound and the others have 2.
So if I say as in apple, what is that? Or A as in cake. Write the letter you think I'm saying.
Yeah.
Let's do as in apple. Ooh, that's close, Vaughn. Kind of sounds like E sometimes. There it is.
I did all of them.
If he has trouble, it's okay to tell him what letter makes that sound. Then try another sound and see if he can write it down.
Done.
T. V as in violin.
V.
Very good. How do you write a V? W as in wall. You're so smart.
Okay, we are going to practice writing. Do you know how to write yet?
No.
Oh, well, let's practice, okay? This is how you learn. So I'm going to say each word, and then you write it on each row. And I'll.
There are 2 sheets for this activity,
So this
one for
word
you
is
and
really
the other for your child.
A. Do you know how to write A?
A. T.
Right.
Cat is
In a hat.
I think so, but let's see. Right on the next line.
In this activity, you will say words for your child to write. The words form a sentence. There are 5 in all. Get your child to try to write each word, even if she doesn't know how to spell it. After your child has written the word, see if she can read it. Then go on to the other sentences.
And now the next line down.
Sat.
Sat.
On.
On.
A.
A.
Dog.
Dog. Dog.
What letter is that?
D.
That's a D.
Oh. No. It's a B. Bug.
What's a bug? Did you even know that was a word? Give 5. Amazing. All right, you want to read this one?
Yep.
What's that?
A. Frog sat on a dog.
And what is the picture?
A dog with a frog.
Whoa, good job. Now let's see if we can read this.
A frog sat on a dog.
Good job, Vaughn.
Sat on a dog.
Excellent. I didn't know you could read.
Now at this one.
You want to do that one? I think the first thing that really surprised me was just how much he knew and has picked up just from being around our other kids and just being a part of daily life. He likes to play word games now. All right, guys, we're gonna do a new thing today called Best Friends on a Spaceship. So I want both of you to draw a really big spaceship on your paper, like as big as the whole paper. Can you do that? Okay, start drawing.
Ask your child to draw a picture of a spaceship on a paper bag or big piece of paper. Then ask, if we were going into outer space on this spaceship, which of your friends would you like to have with you?
Lizzie and Emily.
Emily? Okay, Emily. So we want to write Emily's name inside the spaceship. Can you do that?
I can't write.
Oh, I can help you write. Eh, eh.
If your child needs help, ask him to say the name slowly and write down the letters that he hears. Be sure to have him write his own name on the spaceship.
Who is that?
Bryn and Brett and Mateo.
Oh, of course, Mateo.
Mateo.
And me, not Mishael.
Excellent. You know what I forgot? How are we going to know whose spaceship this is?
Mine.
Yeah, this is Vaughn's spaceship, and this is Patience's spaceship. So you're going to have to write your name on there as well.
I need lots of friends because look how much circles I have.
What are those circles for?
For the people to go in.
Oh, excellent. But I'd like you to write your name right down here. So we're going to write Vaughn. Do you know how to spell Vaughn?
Huh?
V. How do you spell it?
Vaughn.
Good job.
Let's make a list of your favorite foods. Can you do that for me? Chicken. You're doing good. CH.
Chicken.
Chick.
When she says a food that she likes, repeat it back to her, saying the sounds of the word slowly. Ask her to write the food down on her list.
Chicken.
Okay. And what's after chicken?
Barbecue sauce.
How do you write barbecue?
Don't worry if your child's spelling is not perfect. She will learn how to spell as she gets better at writing.
I know what my favorite food is to have for lunch or dinner. Salad. Lad.
Ants on the log.
Ants on a log. That's a good one.
Very good. What else do you like?
I like fish.
All right. You think you write fish? The fact that she knew every sound to every letter. I mean, being in kindergarten, you wouldn't think she knew every sound. It just surprised me how fast she did it and how she caught on really fast to everything that we were doing. And she was excited about doing it. So that was good for me. All right, so you like chicken, barbecue, fish, and what else? You done? Oh, you got more? What else do you like?
Strawberry.
Oh my goodness. You can't like easy food.